Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am working with insert name here for this video. It's a female founded company from LA and they sell amazing hair pieces that I'm really a fan of. I wouldn't be working with them if I didn't think that their products were really high quality. And these ponytails and hair pieces that I've gotten are by far my favorite ones yet, so I can't wait to share with you guys how to apply them and how to style them. So they've sent me a few of their styles, but my favorite by far is the Molly ponytail. This is the one that I've worn the most and it's the one I'm going to show you how to apply in this video. As you can see, I have really curly hair, so if you have curly hair, don't worry, you don't have to apply heat or anything to apply these ponies. Before I start applying the ponytail, I just want to say I'll leave the website down below and you can use my code OLIVE for 15% off. So Molly is 22 inches. She's got a clip application, but you can actually take the clip out and you can use the drawstring application and just draw it onto your natural ponytail or bun. But I personally like to use the clip because it just keeps it nice and sturdy, it stays in place, and it's actually really quick to apply. The first thing I do is spray my scalp with water. So that just helps flatten the curls, and then I just brush through them. So wetting the top of your head also helps get rid of any bumps. So depending on where you want the pony, that's where you'll tie your little ponytail. So I'm going to have my pony up on the top. So I tie my natural hair just under to where I want to clip it in. I'm just using a black scrunchie to tie a little bun. If you had longer hair, I would twirl it up and then spiral it into a flat bun. Or if you have long, natural wavy hair, you could even just let your ponytail hang and it will blend in with the Molly. There's the clip opening there. And what I do, I just clip this onto the top of the bun. It can kind of go half into my scalp and half into the bun. So I've got the clip open, so it's half on my scalp, half on the bun. I'll just show it again. So my bun is here and I'm just clipping it on top of the bun. The main reason why I love the Molly so much. It transforms your looks really quickly, and it doesn't matter that my hair's really curly, it's still really easy to apply. I just love the curls in the poly, it makes it look so natural and pretty. It's also really lightweight, I can't even feel it on my head. It transforms your look really quickly, like this is very Ariana vibes. Another thing is that they're crazy affordable for such high quality. INH also have quad pay, which is where you can split your payments over 6 weeks. They also have a color matching service where you just DM their Instagram and they let you know what color they think will suit you the most, which is really easy, and they reply really quickly. Okay, so I think I've gone through everything. As I said before, the Molly pony is my favorite by far. I'll be uploading another tutorial soon, and make sure you're following me on my Instagram so you can see more tutorials on my story. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!